Want your token to maintain strong trading volume? High volume increases your token's visibility on various charting platforms like DEX Screener, and consistent high volume sets your token apart. Here you can see the current volume, which is $2, and there is only one transaction, which was done 20 hours ago. Now go to app.hypersol.xyz. Select the Volume Bot and click Create. Volume Bot is designed to help you achieve desired transaction volumes. Make sure your wallet is also connected. Go to DEX Screener. Copy your mint address from right here. Paste it here and load your coin. Enter transaction count and rate. Depending on your expected volume, select one of the transaction amount. You can see the estimated volume here. Now you can click on Pay and Start to start the bot. Confirm the transaction on the wallet. Now you need to wait a few minutes till the bot runs transactions. Click on Bot Details on the pop-up to view the statistics. These are your pending and completed transactions. After a few minutes, you can see the bot running transactions. You can also see your coin volume increasing steadily on DEX Screener. At first, this token had no transactions. But after we deployed the Volume Bot, buying activities surged. Volume Bot effectively attracts natural trading volume. From here, the volume will keep on increasing. Thanks for watching.